everyone. Today I am back with another video about hair, kind of. More of like a review. And if you saw the title, then you already know it's on the Denman Brush. So basically I'm just going to co-wash my hair real quick and then I'm going to reapply products. And then I'm going to style my hair with the Denman Brush. This is going to be my first time styling my hair with a Denman Brush. So it's going to be honest review. I wouldn't say tutorial because I don't know the best way to use it yet. Like I said, it is my first time. But I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to go co-wash my hair and then I'll be back. And I'm back. It's like dripping down my back. And I'm going to style with the Breahni Moisture Milk and the Breahni Light Styling Gel. But this is kind of out of my comfort zone. I don't use brushes at all anymore. But I kind of just wanted to see what all the hype is about. I don't even section my hair anymore. Like when I style my hair, I literally don't even section it. I will put out a updated styling routine soon. Well, now that my hair is all detangled, I'm going to add in the moisture milk. So now that the moisture milk is added, I'm just gonna section my hair and add in the light styling gel and go over with the Denman Brush. I'm gonna put like this much in each section. Ow. Or should I do it in? I'll do one way and one the other way. Okay. I think I like the ringlets. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then tell you guys what I'm gonna do for the top of my head. So I finished both sides. What I'm gonna do for the top of my head so that when it dries I don't have this split is I'm just gonna go like this. And then kind of just Denman the front. I don't know what else to call it. I guess brush the front. And I'm gonna do it upward for volume. Usually I would scrunch, but I'm actually not going to because right now I have pretty much zero frizz and I don't want to scrunch and mess that up because sometimes when you scrunch you get frizz. My wet hair never, like my wet hair looks defined but not like this. This is like amazing. Oh no. See, I love the definition and everything, but this is what I don't like. This is exactly why I don't section my hair and I don't like that. So let me try to fix this. Ow. Okay. Yeah, this is much better. So I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple minutes and then I'm gonna diffuse and then we're gonna see the end results. So this is my hair after diffusing. It's basically 100% dry. It's like all in my face. I haven't fluffed it or anything. I haven't separated the curls, but oh my gosh, look at this. First of all, this ring light is so bright, so you can see when there's any little frizz, and there's like basically close to no frizz. So I'm just gonna separate the curls. Look how, oh my god, look how juicy the curls look. Holy crap, look at this. I thought it was gonna give me major shrinkage. This length is how my hair like usually is, but I feel like I just did like mini rolos or something. Like that's literally what my hair looks like. I like it so far. So far. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Okay, Denman Brush, come through. But I'm sorry, but these curls look freaking amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna fluff. Okay, here's what I don't like. I don't have my usual volume. My hair is usually bigger than this. And two, whatever direction I brush my curls in, that's where they land. So as you can see, like these curls are falling right in front of my face. Even if I put them back, they're falling right in front of my face. And I don't really like that. When I usually do my hair, that doesn't really happen. But these curls are just so juicy. Oh my god. And I have, like I said, like I have like no frizz. Okay, so I'm still not getting my usual volume, but it's not too bad. It's really not that bad. Honestly, it's amazing, the definition. I'm obsessed with the definition. It's gorgeous. It's super, super gorgeous. Look at that. It's super easy to use, super easy to figure out. It doesn't hurt at all in the hair. Like I thought since it was like rubbery that it would hurt, but it really doesn't at all. And it was super easy just to glide through my hair. Of course, my hair was detangled before I used it, so definitely make sure your hair is detangled before that because it's not a detangler. But other than that, those are my final thoughts. I wouldn't say that I'm obsessed with it, and I wouldn't say I would use it every day, but I do think I'll use it in the future. Maybe when my hair gets longer, because when my hair gets longer, I get more volume. So maybe when it's longer, I'll use it. Again, I just didn't like how I have no volume. Like that just doesn't sit well with me. I got it for around $9, and I'll put it in the description box below along with all the products I used as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped a lot. If it didn't, just leave me a question down below with whatever questions you have, and of course I'll get back to them. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and look at my other videos too. I have a bunch of other videos, and I would love for you guys to see them all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.